Welcome to channel American Speakeasy.
25 Travel Idioms and Expressions. Part 2. Like, subscribe. Bad news travels fast. Meaning, when something negative happens, people learn about it quickly. Use in a sentence. The bad news of the factory closure traveled fast, and everyone in town had heard about it within a few hours. The jet set, meaning, refers to very wealthy people who travel around the world to attend parties or functions. It describes a social class of wealthy people who travel for pleasure. Use in a sentence. His Instagram feed is a testament to his jet-setter lifestyle. In full flight, meaning, fleeing as quickly as someone or something can. Use in a sentence. The crook was in full flight, but the police are determined to find him. To be on the move, meaning, actively traveling from one place to another. Use in a sentence. The nomadic tribe was always on the move, following the changing seasons. Itchy feet, meaning, used to describe a person who has the desire to travel. Use in a sentence. Every time I go to the airport, it gives me itchy feet to go somewhere new. Frequent flyer, meaning, someone who travels often by plane, usually accumulating points or miles for their trips. Use in a sentence. As a frequent flyer, she enjoys many perks like free upgrades and airport lounge access. Tourist trap, meaning, a place that attracts tourists but may not offer an authentic experience. Use in a sentence. Avoid the crowded souvenir shops, they're just tourist traps. Road rage, meaning, angry or violent behavior caused by stress from driving. Use in a sentence. The truck driver was warned of the dangers of road rage. To go off the rails, meaning, used to describe a person that starts to behave strangely or uncontrollably. Use in a sentence. I don't know what happened to Grandma. She started to go off the rails when she turned 75 years old. One's train of thought, meaning, refers to a connected sequence of thoughts. It is used to describe the uninterrupted progression of thinking or reasoning. Use in a sentence. Please don't interrupt my train of thought when I'm writing. Road trip, meaning, refers to an easy or uneventful journey. It is often to describe a journey made by car, often for pleasure or exploration. Use in a sentence. We were all set for our road trip to the Grand Canyon when the engine on my car suddenly gave out. To be in the same boat, meaning to be in the same situation or problem as somebody else. Use in a sentence. My sister failed her driver's test, and I'll be in the same boat if I don't practice parallel parking. That ship has sailed, meaning, the opportunity has already passed. A missed opportunity. Use in a sentence. If you were hoping to ask Molly out, that ship has sailed, she's going to the dance with Peter. To take someone for a ride. Two meanings. To deceive or cheat someone. To murder someone. Refers to taking a person for an automobile ride. Use in a sentence. I can't believe I let that guy take me for a ride like that. Just the ticket, meaning, exactly what is needed or wanted. Use in a sentence. The new opening act turned out to be just the ticket for the variety show, they were a hit. Float one's boat, meaning to make someone happy, excited or interested in something. Use in a sentence. It's Jason's birthday, so we should do whatever floats his boat. A country mile, meaning, a long distance. Use in a sentence. Are you sure you want to walk all the way there? It's about a country mile from here. A fork in the road, meaning it refers to a critical decision point where one must choose between two different paths or options, each leading to distinct outcomes. Use in a sentence. He reached a fork in the road when he had to decide whether to stay in his hometown or move to a big city for better opportunities. To jump ship, meaning to abandon a task, responsibility, or employment. It referred to a person taking charge of their future. Use in a sentence. If your company is having financial issues, you might decide to jump ship before they start laying people off. To put the pedal to the metal, meaning to do something with maximum speed or effort. Use in a sentence. It would normally take us 3 days driving to New York from Colorado, but with my brother putting the pedal to the metal, we made it in 2. Smooth sailing, meaning to make progress easily with little to no difficulty. Use in a sentence. If we can just get the application approved, then we should have smooth sailing from there. Rocky road, meaning the difficult, troubled, or uneven journey or development to some status, position, or result. Use in a sentence. In the interview, she discusses her childhood, her inspirations, and the rocky road to presidency. To throw someone under the bus, meaning to avoid blame or trouble for something by allowing someone else to take responsibility. Use in a sentence. She promised to support her friend, but when things got tough, she quickly threw him under the bus. A tight ship, meaning a very well-organized group of people. Use in a sentence. I like working for Steve. He runs a tight ship. To miss the boat, meaning to miss out on something. To fail to take advantage of an opportunity. Use in a sentence. If you don't call the recruiter back right away, you're going to miss the boat.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe, like, turn on bell notifications,